Hi everyone, Daniel here from WP-OBS. As you probably know, we're very pleased to announce that we have released our first WP-OBS free version for the WordPress plugin directory. Now anyone can download it, use it. It's totally 100% open source as required by WordPress, and you can install it on your system and use it. I'm going to take you through how simple it is to set it up and how things work with the WP-OBS. Important to mention that this is a limited version. Not all functionalities that you have on the Pro version are available. Of course, you're more than welcome to visit our website and purchase a package if you wished. So I'm going to jump straight into the back end of WordPress. I'm assuming that by now you clicked on the download link, you've downloaded your plugin and you have uploaded it to your WordPress installation. Then you've activated. Once you've activated your plugin, we're going to navigate straight to the link of the WP-OBS, and your landing page will be your calendar. Obviously the calendar is now empty, so there are no appointments here. The first thing you would want to do is you want to add your first employee. So we navigate to the employee section and we add a new employee. You can choose a color code for that employee, just randomly choose something. Give the employee a name, so let's say Roger Moore, and we just give a random email. So some email at some domain.com goes here, and you can then add telephone, etc. No one sees those details with the exception of yourself, the admin. And then obviously this is an active user. In the limited version you can only add one employee and you can use it for lifetime. If you wanted to add various employees, unlimited employees actually, in fact, then you will need to purchase the full version. So once we've added the first employee, what we want to do next is we want to set up the working hours for that employee. So we are choosing Roger Moore, and as you can see we already predefined 9 to 5. Of course you can change any of those, so I'm just going to say that we are open Monday to Friday, and we're going to save the details. And we are almost done. So the next step of what we want to do, we want to add a service. So I'm navigating to the service area and I'm going to add a new service, and let's just say that this is a haircut, and we give it a price. So let's say $55, and let's say that that takes 30 minutes, and I'm going to save those details. Once the details are saved, we need to allocate now Roger Moore, the employee, to the service. So I'm going to press the allocate services, and I'm going to choose Roger Moore, and I'm going to mark haircut. And by that I'm allocating the haircut service to Roger Moore, and I'm going to save those details. You can see here that Roger Moore was added. Of course, when you have multiple employees, you will see here multiple employees according to what you have assigned to them. So now we have also assigned a service to the employee. We are literally almost there. The last bit that you will want to do in terms of settings is go to the settings button. And in the settings buttons, in the limited version, you can still manage your currency. So for example, I'll choose British pound, and of course you can add a currency, you can manage it, not a problem. In the full version you will have many other options. You will be able to add countries, delete countries, choose the time format that you have the Facebook Connect, etc. A few other elements. What you can do here, you can set a few of the text areas appearing on the plugin. I will show you that in a couple of minutes. So I'm going here and I'm just going to save the settings. Once the settings are saved, we can navigate to our booking link here, and we can then grab the link and put it wherever we want. Again, in the full version, you're actually able to upload your own image. You're also able to take an iframe booking form and implant it in any other website, in a Facebook page, anywhere you want it. So we can take now, grab the code from here and paste it into any post or page, and that will appear on the front end. What will happen is that you will get the link on the front end, and when you click on the link, you will get the booking form. And once you are at the booking form, people will just be able to go ahead and book your service with no issues at all. And that's basically what it is all about. Now I'm just going to navigate out of here for a second. I'm going to say that the last thing you can do, assuming you want maybe to change some of the wording of this specific form, you can go to the booking form area, And from here you will be able to actually use your own wording to any of the variables that we have, any of the text. You can change it to whatever it is that you want, and then personalize it to yourself, either in English or any other Latin language. At the moment we support Latin characters. We strive to change that and add as many languages support as possible. Of course, in the full version you will also be able to disable or enable any of those fields and make them mandatory or not mandatory. So that's another benefit that you have there. Navigating to the last bit of what you can personalize for being your own is the email templates. And the email templates are those emails that are being sent either to you as an admin or they're being sent to your customers. And the first email that is being sent once someone is booking an appointment with you is this email. And that email basically gives them the acknowledgement that they've just requested a booking, but it's not a confirmation yet. So they will get this email, and I think that for any client it's always a good thing to have. Once they get this email, you as the admin will be receiving an email with 2 links in the email, and those 2 links will be either an approve link or a deny. And once you click on any of them, you will either approve this specific booking or decline it. Once you have either approve or decline a booking for one of your clients, they will receive an email that either confirm their booking, as you can see here, or decline that booking. And that will look like so. So again, the system is I think extremely innovative in that respect. There are not many plugins that offer something like that at all. If my memory is not wrong, there isn't any plugin that actually does exactly that. What you're going to see here is an email signature, and that email signature is something that will appear at the bottom of any email that is going to go out. So any of those emails that you see here, you can actually have a global signature that will go there. You can either delete it or you can just add something like that will put the name of your company with your URL to your website, etc. So again, one more benefit to do that. There are many more features here that are actually still available in the limited version. I want to keep this video relatively short, so I'm not going to go in detail to each and every one of them. I think that it's pretty self-explanatory, and I took you through the main elements of how the system works and how you set it up. More than happy to answer any questions you might have. Email us or simply start a discussion, and I'll be more than happy to answer. I hope you'll find this plugin innovative, and of course, if you're interested and you want to purchase the full version, please feel free, go ahead, click on the link here, and it will take you straight to our website, and we are more than happy to accommodate almost any request. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope to speak to you soon.